guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Teodoreja and we're in Nanbin Fashion sample room. This video is a continuation from the last video I posted. This is the part 2. Okay, so today's video will also be about one of the electronic waist trimmers we have. This is another type. Last time I showed you the EMS Fitness electronic waist trimmer, and today's waist trimmer it's an OK Fiber 3 steel bone electronic waist trimmer. It's not the same as the previous one. This one is quite different. Let me show you. So today's waist trimmer is this one. As you can see, it's not the same as that one. The EMS Fitness waist trimmer, it uses 2 AAA batteries, but this one uses power bank. This one uses power bank, and we have a pocket for our power bank even. On the side parts, look at this. We have a pocket, and this pocket is for the power bank. And another difference from the previous one is this one has 2 effects. One of them is the heating effect and the other is the vibration or the massage effect. So as you can see, it has 2 effects. I'm going to wear it and we're going to see how it is. I'm going to describe it for you guys. Oh, before I forget, this one has 3 steel bones right here. So these steel bones are going to support your back. So to turn on this waist trimmer, you just touch this button for 3 seconds. Now this is the vibration. So the vibration just started, and we can adjust the speed. It has 3 speed adjustments: low, high, and medium. So you can just, this is another speed. So this feels like a massage. It's like a vibration, but it's like a vibration massage. It's so nice. So this is going to help melt the fat underneath your skin on your belly. And if you want to use the heating, it's going to feel like a sauna. So I just turned on the heating as well. This also has 3 adjustments. As you can see, so you go. This is another level. Can you hear it, how the vibration goes? It's like a ringing phone. Now I'm feeling the heating. So it's heating every part of my waist, which the waist trainer touches. So this is going to help you melt the fat. The heating will help you sweat, so it's going to melt any water weight, and the vibration is going to break up the fat underneath the skin so that it's going to be easy to melt. So this is 2-in-1 waist trimmer, and you just need a power bank and then that's it. So this is also going to help you if you want to exercise. You can just wear it and go for a run, and it's going to be so effective. Or even if you don't want to run, and even if you just want to stay home, just do your chores around the house, or just lay down on the sofa and watch movie, you just wear this and you're going to feel the effect. So if you want to turn it off, you just touch for 3 seconds. Done. So this is it. This is one of our newest designs. So in Nanbin Fashion, we have two types of electronic waist trimmers. The one I showed you in the part 1 video, I'm going to link it down below. And this one, so if you're interested in this product and any of the products, you can check out our website on the description box, or you can go to our Instagram page and DM us directly. We're going to get back to you ASAP. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in another video next time. Bye.